At the crack of dawn, my alarm clock sings like a rooster on a caffeine high with golden wings. I hit that snooze, it's a battle of wills, fighting with my pillow like it's full of pills. Oh, the morning sun's a villain in disguise. It's plotting my demise with its bright, blinding lies. I negotiate with coffee, my superhero brew. Save me from this dawn, I'm depending on you. In the warzone of sheets, I strategize my fate. Do I rise like a champion or procrastinate? I play the snooze buttons, a master of disguise, tempting me to slumber while it cunningly lies. Oh, the morning sun's a villain in disguise. It's plotting my demise with its bright, blinding lies. I negotiate with coffee, my superhero brew. Save me from this dawn, I'm depending on you. In the warzone of sheets, I strategize my fate. Do I rise like a champion or procrastinate? I swear the snooze button's a master of disguise, tempting me to slumber while it cunningly lies. The minutes march on like a relentless parade, while I'm stuck in this dreamland where time's unmade. But coffee's got my back, it's rich and it's bold. With each sip I'm reborn, it's liquid gold. So I rise from the ashes like a caffeinated phoenix. Check the time and realize I barely made 3 minutes. Yeah, here comes the warmth and it smells so divine. With cup in hand, I finally feel fine. Oh, the morning sun's a villain in disguise. It's plotting my demise with its bright, blinding lies. I negotiate with coffee, my superhero brew. Save me from this dawn, I'm depending on you. Here's to the struggle when early birds sing, to battling alarms and all that they bring. With coffee at my side and a smile, that's why each morning's an adventure, let's enjoy the ride. So here's to the struggle when early birds sing, to battling alarms and all that they bring. With coffee at my side and a smile that's wide, each morning's an adventure, let's enjoy the ride.